In this video, I'm going to go over some of the features and functions of this Wanfan faucet that I sourced from AliExpress. A link to this faucet is above, and it's also in the description below. Now, this faucet is a touch-sensitive faucet, and it comes in many different styles. Now, it can be turned on manually. It has two different nozzles. It can be pulled down to clean the sink, as you see, and then it also is touch-sensitive, so you can turn it on and off using the touch button, and then it also rotates for hot and cold. Now, it's a great looking faucet. It comes in many different styles and shapes, and let's get into the install of this faucet. All right, this is what's in the box. You see the faucet here. Here's the different attachments, the battery box, the hoses, and the weight for the retractable spray. All right, I removed the old kitchen faucet from the countertop. I cleaned this area with a sponge nice and good to get rid of the grime. Now I'm gonna start the install of the new faucet. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the loose washers here, slide them down, pull them out. That's the one that's gonna be tightened. There's a washer here, and then this rubber gasket. And then you'll see that there's another rubber gasket that's on here that will be used to seal on the countertop. This one you're gonna have to feed all the way down. So now I'm gonna feed the kitchen faucet through that hole. Be gentle with the wire. And that's what it will look like. What I'm gonna do is get someone to help me and hold that in place while I go underneath and tighten it.
Okay, you can see how I attach the bottom of the faucet. I have the rubber washer, then the thin metal washer, then this brass washer about 1/4 inch from it. I threaded it onto that pipe and then used the screws to secure it to the sink base or the countertop. Now I'm gonna come down here and install the water line. I'm gonna do the cold, then the hot, and then it says to flush the supply line. Now I'm gonna install this controller up into the blue connector up there, and that should just push right in. And then the other end of the hose, I'm gonna connect to the opposite end of the controller. Okay, I'm bringing the controller up, and I'm gonna snap it into place like that. And now I'm gonna bring the gooseneck extender up and plug it into the other end of the controller, like that. Now you can see how the controller is connected on to the faucet coming out, and then this is going up to the gooseneck.
Got the battery pack here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install the batteries. They're 4 AA's. I'm gonna close that lid. It's actually kind of neat. It's got a little holder here that you can screw to the wall and then slide that into place. So that's kind of neat feature. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect all the wires.
All right, you can see how I have everything installed here. I got the battery pack over here that I mounted to the wall with the wall mount. This is the controller. The red wire comes up, connects into that, and then the black wire goes up to the faucet. So now I'm gonna go up top and make sure everything works.
Okay, moment of truth. Let's try this. Comes on nice. There's the jet. Pulls out nice. All right, let's try it. Shuts off. Try it. Goes on. Looks like we're good. Let me just check to make sure it's getting hot water. Yep, getting hot water. All right, good install. It's a nice looking faucet. Not bad for 60 bucks.